Buongiorno a tutti.
Hello everyone, I'm Veronica from Turin. Today I want to create an 80s inspired look. I used KMS Tame Frizz shampoo and conditioner to increase docility and reduce frizz by up to 100%.
100%.
To reactivate my curls, I will use KMS CURLUP Perfecting Lotion. I emulsify a dose or two on my hands, massage, and apply it to dry hair.
Delle mollette,
I will use clips below my ear height.
l'altezza delle mie orecchie. Anche da questa parte.
Also on the side. And I will pass the diffuser.
Il diffusore. Utilizzerò un ferro.
I will use the iron under the clips to define this final part of the length.
A definire questa parte finale della lunghezza.
To finish, I used KMS Firm Finishing Spray for a stronger hold. Hope you liked my look. See you in the next video.